name's Alec from Pegasus. I'm here today to talk to you about our new automatic electronic deployable side steps. Now, for this Navara, this particular model, they would normally come with side steps fixed. But the downside to the side steps fixed is that when you go off-road, they can and are prone to get damaged. And the other thing is, I don't think they look particularly attractive. From my perspective, I quite like these side steps. Now, they are actually deployed at this moment in the upright position, and you hardly notice they are there, and I think they're quite nice with the lines of the vehicle. Here they are, sat here, tucked away, flat against the sides, which looks just like a sill on a conventional vehicle. Now, to operate the side steps is a very simple process. Every time I open the door, they will deploy downwards. And when I close the door, they will automatically close back up. So open them again. If I want to keep them permanently open, I can just rest my foot on there for a few seconds and they will stay in that open position. Now that's quite useful when you want to load some stuff on the top or wash the roof of the vehicle. You haven't got to worry about them, obviously deploying backwards. They're made of lightweight aluminium. They're capable of carrying up to 300 kilos, so they'll carry my weight easily. And they are coming with a 3-year warranty. The other feature I quite like is the safety feature, so that if I just open and close that door a second and deploy them, open it again, and if, for argument's sake, it was a child who got a foot trapped, they will not trap your foot. They'll stop automatically, which allows you to release yourself easily. So I think they're great, and I think they look fantastic. As I say, they come with a 3-year warranty, and I think they enhance the look of the vehicle. Great value for money at $895 plus VAT plus fitting. Thanks for listening.